Polite English phrases. Polite and courteous phrases are a very important part of learning to communicate effectively in English. These expressions will help you in many everyday situations. In this lesson, we will review some common English phrases that will be most helpful to every person interested in improving their English language skills. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for the opportunity to talk with you today. I appreciate you coming. I've looked forward to meeting you. I really enjoyed our conversation. I hope to meet with you again soon. The pleasure has been mine. Your cooking is delicious. You have a lovely home. Let's continue this conversation again as soon as possible. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Thank you for your gracious hospitality. Could you repeat that, please? I understand your point of view. Take your time. There's no rush. I appreciate the opportunity to discuss this with you. Excuse me, can you tell me where the bathroom is? Excuse me, where is the nearest gas station? Could you repeat that, please? Could you explain something to me, please? I'm very happy we finally met. Can I borrow your pen, please? Could I please use your phone? If it's no bother, can I wait here? Could you please help me? I don't understand. Could you say that again, please? Could we talk about this later? Sorry to interrupt, but I have to get going. I appreciate your explanation, thanks. Sorry, but I'll pass on this for now. I'm not so sure that's a good idea, but thanks anyway. I'll have coffee. Thank you. Could you tell me where the nearest convenience store is, please? It was nice to meet you. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. This was a good conversation, thanks. Here's my number if you'd like to talk more. Thank you, but I'm afraid not. No thanks, but I appreciate the offer. Thanks for the invitation. I appreciate your efforts, thanks. Thank you so much. You've been very kind. You've been very generous, thank you. Your offer is very kind, thank you. I'll have to think about this, thank you. I'm not interested, but thanks anyway. I'm sorry. What was your name again? Could I please have some time to think about this? I have to refuse your generous offer, but thank you anyway. I'll have to say no, but I appreciate your offer. It was very nice of you. I look forward to our next visit, thanks. I hope we can chat again soon. Thank you.
Polite English phrases, polite English phrases, polite English phrases.